In this video, I'll guide you how to stake GMX token and GLP token to earn GMX Decentralized Perpetual Exchange trading fees. Here I'm using Arbitrum network and trading fees received as Ethereum. You can buy GMX using a centralized exchange or using an eSwap on Arbitrum. I bought GMX using MEXC exchange and sent GMX to my Metamask wallet. You can check my previous video on using Connext Bridge to transfer Ethereum to Arbitrum network with the lowest transaction fees and how to add Arbitrum network to Metamask. You need a small amount of Ethereum on Arbitrum network to pay transaction fees. You can use the below link to go to the GMX exchange. Connect your wallet. Go to the Earn tab and find GMX Stake. Enter your GMX amount and confirm the transaction. GLP is the liquidity token on GMX Decentralized Perpetual Exchange. You can swap Ethereum to GLP using GMX Swap. GLP token no need to lock. Holding GLP tokens will earn exchange swap fees.
Several days later.
Here is my dashboard showing 7 days results. Thanks for watching.